This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact PAN alphanumeric and the bank account you'll link. Once done, open the bank's official portal or mobile app and locate the PAN linking section. Banks often label it Link PAN or KYC Update. Make sure you're logged in with two-factor authentication active. Upload the PAN image or enter the PAN ID manually and input the account number plus IFSC. Pause only to verify every digit. Mismatches cause delays. Once you've entered details, proceed to the verification step, which varies by bank. Some banks send an OTP to the registered mobile linked to your account, others perform micro-deposit verification. If OTP is used, enter it promptly. If micro-deposit is required, note the small credit amount and return to the portal to confirm it. You may also be asked to upload supporting documents. Scan clearly and crop to avoid rejection. Keep records of submission ID or screenshot. Finish by checking the bank dashboard or messages for confirmation. Processing can take 24-72 hours. Once confirmed, your PAN is linked and you'll see a status update. If it fails, the most common causes are mismatched names, typo in PAN or account number, or poor quality uploads. When that happens, correct the specific field, re-upload a clearer image, and resubmit. If issues persist, call bank support with your submission reference and request manual review to resolve the mismatch quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.